Cumberland, Davidson, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth,
Uh-oh.
Franklin, Guilford, Hardin, Hoke, Johnson, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Orange, Randolph, Richmond, Sampson, Scotland, Stanley, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson. A tropical storm warning is in effect for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Anson, Chatham.
Holy shit.
Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Guilford, Hardin, Hoke, Johnson, Beaufort, Hatteras Island, Inland Onslow, Mainland High, Northern Outer Banks, and Ocracoke Island. A storm surge watch is in effect and a tropical storm warning is in effect for the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Hatteras Island, Inland Onslow, Mainland High, Northern Outer Banks, and Ocracoke Island. For the following areas in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Catawba, Beatty, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Rowan, and Union, and the following areas in South Carolina: